Hey everybody, Chris.Buystedt here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. I wanted to show you one of my favorite brands. Coachmen makes a beautiful trailer. This one is the Catalina SBX. This one actually is the 301 bunkhouse. And if you've got a big family with a lot of kids, this might be the coach for you. Come on in and check it out. I work with a lot of families, and one of the things that many moms and dads want is a private bedroom. That's what you have with this. You've got a real door that opens up into a very nice private bedroom where you can have your own space, get away from it all. It's a walk-around bed all the way around, and you've got everything that you need in here for your clothes and your devices. Everything you need is right there. Right over here is your entertainment system. This is where your TV would go, and you can get a TV and we'll put it right there for you. We've even got them to help you out with that if you need. You've got all this extra storage in here for all your entertainment needs. You can use it for anything, but I think it works really great for CDs and DVDs and things like that. Inside of here, your air conditioning, it's all ducted throughout the whole coach, so it's not like all the air is cool right in the kitchen and in your bedroom or in the bunk room. There is no air. It's cool all the way throughout. You've got a nice little Jackknife Sofa right here. And check this out. This comes down. You got a couple places for your drinks. Few more places, maybe a bag of chips or some cookies or something. Up high, out of the way, kind of a neat place. Nice big place for the family to sit around this big dinette, and you can get all the way around it beautifully. If you look over in the kitchen, you've got everything that you would need to do dinner and breakfast and everything that you would need. Also, this particular model has an outdoor kitchen, so you've got double the kitchen here, which is really cool. So you got all that space, nice nor cold fridge and freezer, plenty of room for everybody to have food. Check out this. A lot of people really like having a tub. If you got a couple little ones or maybe even a couple little critters, it's pretty nice having a little tub right in there in the bathroom. Got a skylight there. In case somebody's a little bit tall, they can still fit in and wash their hair, do everything just right. This is the part that all the kids get excited about. So if you have any kids watching right now, check this out. This could be your new room right here. Got a nice place for bunks. You got a ladder, place for your own TV and video games, place to put all your clothes. It's really set up nicely for a family. You even got a privacy curtain right here. This is a perfect trailer for a family. I would love to show you this one or many of the others that we have. Oh, let me tell you one other thing that's neat about these is they have all power awning. One button, the awning comes out, it all lights up in blue. Bugs don't like blue, but people do. It's pretty cool, and it lights up the whole path out there so your kids aren't falling down on their way to the trailer in the dark. That's pretty special, I think. Anyway, give me a call. My name is Chris. My number is 541-636-7878.